Do you know you can make healthy gummies at home using just two ingredients? Yes, just two, and you love it. Hello there. If you are new here, I am Hirat, and you are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and then share this video for me, okay? Let's start with the process on how I got this amazing gummies. And these are the ingredients I used. Here I have turkey berries or corn susua. That is how we call it in Ghana. I don't know how you call it at your place. This is how it is. In case you don't know, it's okay. So get some turkey berries or corn susua and then some oranges because these things has loads of benefits. Okay. And next I have gelatin, and this is the type I used. So you can use any type you have at hand, okay? So this is how it is in the box. I know this one they use it for cakes, but I just said let me try, and it came out so nice. So I am going to transfer everything into the blender, add water, and then I am going to blend. Turkey berry help with healthy blood circulation, and it also has a natural fiber which can help with better digestion. So opening. Just try this and you thank me later. And turkey berry is also known for supporting healthy blood levels and boosting iron. High water content in oranges also helps to keep your body cool and properly hydrated. Or you can use any vitamin C related fruit to pair with your turkey berries, okay? After blending, I am going to use a strainer to sieve this, and I will get rid of the chaff because I will be making use of the juice only. So next, I am going to put this on the heat for at least 5 minutes for it to be warm because I will be adding the gelatin into it. So here you can just get rid of the foamy surface, okay? And here I am going to mix my gelatin. And as you know, you have to use hot water to mix this. So into a cup, I went in with small quantity of water, and I am going to add in my gelatin. And as I said earlier, I used the gelatin for cake. Oh, don't come for me. That is what I got at the mall. I've been searching for gelatin, but to no avail till I laid my hands on this. So I'm going to mix this, and this is how this one looks. It is liquid, and it will solidify when you add it to what you are mixing it with. Okay, so here my turkey berry juice is ready, and next I am going to go in with the gelatin mixture, and as you can see the mixture is already thickening. So next I am going to give it a very good mix till everything is well mixed. If you are still watching this video until now and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so because it is absolutely free. No charge, oh. Just subscribe to my channel and enjoy the amazing recipes on here. And please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So here everything is set, and I am going to bring in my silicone molds, and you can get this from the kitchen parlor on Instagram and Facebook at an affordable price, guys. But next I am going to pour the solution into a squeeze bottle to make it easier for me when I'm dispensing it. If you don't have the bottle, you can just use a small spoon to do this, okay? So I'm going to cover it gently and then dispense it into my silicone molds. I have them in different shapes and designs. So I am going to go on and dispense it. So for this gelatin, unless you put it in the fridge or freezer before it hardens or it solidifies. Unlike other gelatins which hardens immediately you are working with, this one doesn't work like that unless you put it in the fridge, okay? If you have kids and they don't like the taste of turkey berries and orange juice, just try this recipe for them and they will just enjoy it without even noticing it has a bittersweet taste, okay? So I made this for my kids and they loved it. Don't forget to give this recipe a try. And if you are anemic, try this recipe, okay? And if you are pregnant too, even if you are not anemic, just try this recipe and your midwife or your doctor will ask you what you are taking and give them the secrets. That Hyrat's Kitchen has one secret and send them the link for them to watch and also recreate, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video to this end and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.